Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Greens and Beans. Today in this video, I am going to share with you a full day intermittent fasting Indian meal plan which will include all the important meals, that is breakfast, lunch and dinner. So let's get started. Intermittent fasting is a meal schedule which people follow with the primary intention to lose weight. Now it is good to know that apart from weight loss, intermittent fasting also has many other health benefits which are listed for you. The most popular method of intermittent fasting is the 16/8 method, under which you have an eating window of 8 hours and the fasting window of 16 hours. So today let's see what an ideal simple Indian meal plan would look like if you are interested to follow a hassle-free intermittent fasting schedule. Let's break the fast window at 10 a.m. in the morning, and for breakfast what I am making is a very simple oat smoothie. So to make the oat smoothie you can use rolled oats, but today I am using instant oats. With that I will need a cup of yogurt, 4 dates and 1 banana. As I am using instant oats, at first I will need to dry roast the oats for 2 minutes before adding it to the smoothie. If you are using rolled oats, then this process is not necessary. So after roasting, now just take a blender and add all the ingredients along with 1 cup of water and just blend it together, and your smoothie is ready. This smoothie is nutritious, very filling and also super easy to make. Now having seasonal fruits is very necessary for good health and immunity for your body. So at 12 p.m. I would suggest that you have any fruit of your choice. Now let's have our lunch at 2 p.m. So this is what my lunch would look like. 1 small bowl of rice, 1 big bowl of yellow moong dal, mixed veg, 1 boiled egg, salad and yogurt. Yellow moong dal is loaded with proteins and fiber and is also known to have weight loss benefits. To make the moong dal, you need to first dry roast it for 2 minutes, and then when you see the color of the dal changing, just take it off the flame. Then rinse it thoroughly to remove all the dirt. Now add 2 cups of water with the dal and also add veggies of your choice. Today I am adding only green peas. Then just let it slow cook. It will take approximately 10 minutes for the dal to completely cook. And then just add tadka of your choice. Here I am adding jeera or cumin seeds and 1 green chili. Also add turmeric powder and salt, mix well and let it boil for a minute and your dal is ready. For the mixed veg, you can take any seasonal veggies that are available. I am using green peas, cauliflower, cabbage, and I have steamed the cauliflower and cabbage for the sake of easy cooking. Then I have with me some carrots, beans, potatoes, brinjals, flat beans and some green chilies. So first I am adding some cooking oil and then some panch foron, which is a mix of 5 spices, namely cumin seeds, mustard seeds, fenugreek seeds, fennel seeds and nigella seeds. Then I am adding 2 green chilies. Then I have to temper the spice before adding all the veggies one by one. Toss each veggie for 1 minute and then add the next one. Add very little water occasionally so that the veggies get cooked without getting soggy. Finally, when the rest of the veggies are almost cooked, I will add the green peas, steamed cabbage and cauliflower, and then add some turmeric powder and red chili powder and some salt. Then all you need to do is just toss the veggies until almost all the moisture is gone and your mixed veg is ready. So this is how my final lunch looks. Next at 4 p.m. you can have tea or coffee, whatever you desire. And finally you need to have your dinner by 6 p.m. For dinner, I will have 1 roti with 1 big bowl of chicken salad, and you can also have cucumber and tomatoes if you prefer. Making this chicken salad is also super easy. The ingredients that I need are again some seasonal veggies. Here I am taking 3 onions, 1 capsicum, 1 carrot, some spring onions and green chili. I am taking 400 grams of chicken and this will serve 3 to 4 people. First, in a pan, add 1 cup of water and then add the chicken and some salt and let it cook completely till all the water is soaked. When you see the chicken fully cooked and there is no water left in the pan, turn off the flame. Next, separate the chicken from the bones and also shred it at the same time. Next, chop the veggies and in a pan, add some cooking oil. When the oil is hot enough, add some green chilies and then the onion along with some salt. Saute it for 2 to 3 minutes and then add the carrots and the capsicum. After adding the carrots and the capsicum, toss everything for another 2 to 3 minutes and then finally add the spring onion and the shredded chicken and also some black pepper powder. Toss everything together and your super healthy, tasty and nutritious chicken salad is ready. So have the salad with 1 roti and some cucumber and tomatoes with it and your dinner is sorted. After 6 p.m. you will have your next meal again at 10 a.m. next day, and by this time if you are hungry you can have black tea, black coffee, green tea all without milk and sugar. In the morning you can also have apple cider vinegar water but without any honey or any other kind of sweetener. So guys, that is it for today. I truly hope that you liked today's video. Do consider subscribing to my channel for more healthy meal plans and recipes. I will meet you again very soon. Till then, eat healthy and stay healthy. Bye.